Good morning, Mark. What a beautiful weather again.
Yes, lovely. What a splendid summer we've had so far this year.
Yes, but some people are complaining about the heat. They are grumbling because we haven't had much rain for the gardens.
Some people are never satisfied.
By the way, have you heard that young Peter has had another accident in his car?
How awful. Is he badly hurt?
Well, they took him to hospital. But I don't think it was serious. Because he's coming home again today.
I suppose he was driving flat out again. Only yesterday I was telling Mr. Parker how madly he drives. And all his friends are just the same.
I know. It's unbelievable.
I've got some news for you too. Have you heard that Angela is getting married for the fourth time on November the 5th?
Really? She only got her third divorce in the spring.
Her first marriage only lasted 4 months. And that was only in 2017, wasn't it?
Yes, that's right. At this rate she'll lose count of her husbands before she's 40.
Have you heard that James has a Ferrari?
No way. Did he really buy a Ferrari?
Apparently, he did.
How much did he pay for it?
I don't know. He won't tell anybody. He keeps it a secret.
How much do you think it costs?
I did a little research. The model he bought costs around $2 million. Can you believe that?
That sounds crazy. How does he have that much money?
His father is a rich businessman. Maybe his father bought the car.
It was James's birthday last Friday.
Do you think it was a birthday present?
Yes, I think so. I wish my dad bought me a Ferrari for my birthday.
Yeah, same. Maybe one day we will have a Ferrari too. Who knows?
Only in our dreams.
What did you think of the exams, Julia? I think they were easy.
Maybe they were easy enough for you. but they were too hard for me.
Don't worry about it. You've probably done better than you think.
No, I'm certain I've failed in Spanish, and most likely in history too. But it's all over. We can forget about it now. At least until the results come out.
Yes. Now I can get on with reading all the books I've been wanting to read for months, but haven't had time for.
I'm not going to open another book for months. Don't you think we all deserve a break?
Well, maybe I'll take a day or two off. But if I'm going to university in November, I'll have to get down to some serious work again pretty soon.
I'll worry about university, if and when I ever get there.
That's the trouble with you. You always try to do everything at the last minute.
And you're too serious. That's your trouble. You never stop swatting.
Well, I like reading.
Okay. We can do whatever we want, can't we?
Yes, we can.
All right. I'll see you at the party.
See you later.